Unwind payout. A roll-fed operation using a roll payout system as opposed to the optional inline with extruder. Sheet in feed. This process requires an edge preheater to soften the sheet to prevent chips. The heat tunnel adjusts for an even number of shots up to shot lengths of 53 inches. Adjusting the shot length automatically turns on the required number of heaters to fit the varying mold lengths. The control is further simplified by the use of only 2 thermocouples, which provide the input to proportionally distribute the heat to 3 zones top and 3 zones bottom, with these zones running the full length of the heat tunnel. The physical length of the heat tunnel is easily adjusted so all the shots fit exactly inside the heat tunnel. The adjustable heat tunnel provides superior process control because no part of any shot receives more or less heat than any other part, resulting in a uniform heat profile. This is accomplished without the use of multiple heat zones and mold length specific baffling as required with a fixed length heat tunnel. Model 30 NT forming station with patent pending tooling. The many advantages of the NT forming station come primarily from the concept of the forming mold, which doesn't require a third motion with its cycle-reducing and air-consuming pressure box. The NT concept features a plug mounting plate that acts as a bottom platen. The plug plate bolts directly to the machine rod ends and incorporates the mold-specific relief for the rods supporting the stationary clamp plate. The result is a faster cycle rate because of the faster plug speed and much less time waiting for the pressure box to fill, which can also interfere with the forming process due to excessive pre-cooling of the sheet before it completely fills the mold. Another key component is a patented perimeter seal that prevents air mold leakage for form air pressures up to 90 psi and eliminates the need for overclamping, which reduces former maintenance and downtime. This tooling concept will accommodate up to a 6-inch depth of draw in standard size former frame in the Model 28 NT and Model 30. Other models are available for deeper draws. Model 30 NT patented high-speed counterbalance trim press with auto sheet feed. Our controlled patent covers the process of the operator feeding the sheet from the former loop into the trim press servo helper, where it is automatically fed to the servo pick, which feeds the sheet into and through the die set. The servo sheet feed system delivers the cups or products bottom first into the die, which speeds up the process by eliminating the need for an expensive and cycle-reducing servo ejector. The patented counterbalanced NT trim press provides stable and high-speed operation with precise platen parallelism. The patented tapered trim tool die posts provide unequaled preloaded precision for punch and die cutting. The precise punch and die interface provides extremely quiet operation and substantially increased tool life. Underpress Cheese Saw Granulator. The cheese saw is a quiet, high-capacity, low-maintenance granulator which eliminates any chip flyback into the product. The patented tabletop configuration simplifies the trim press and granulator guarding. Trim-to-rim cup handler. This process forms and trims every cup perfectly, which simplifies the trim-to-rim cup handling and the rim rolling process. The double-row trim product can be configured into a single layer because of the precise trimming process. The single layer of cups are then guided and separated as shown into stacks and then fed into the rim roller. In summary, this Model 30 system is unchallenged in the sheet width category for the production of high-quality thermoformed products. The Model 30 NT is not intended to compete in volume production with our larger machines. However, lower tooling costs and simpler operation makes it a highly competitive machine for your lower volume product requirements. On a cost per part basis, it does compete with the larger machines where changeovers and startups are time-consuming and wasteful.